Guys, I wanted something show you. I make it cylinder compressor test. It's a 130 cylinder 1. And when we go to cylinder 2, for this cylinder we have misfire code. This is 60. What I found somebody installed cheaper spark plug, and one piece of spark plug come out, if you see. I don't know if you will see one small piece come out, and if you go to cylinder 2, this piece broke, and go to cylinder 2. That's why low compression. Install good quality. It's a very bad quality. Auto light. Very bad quality spark plug, and spark plug broken engine.